Hi, welcome to another tutorial of Open Office Calc. Now let's see how we can change the data on the graph itself. So let's first double-click the graph to enter editing mode. Now all we need to do is right-click anywhere on the graph itself and select Data Ranges. Here we see name and y value. If we would like to change the y value, meaning the data it's getting its values from, so all we need to do is select y values, click here, and now we'll be able to select something else. Let's say cost. Now we can also change the naming. Now it turns to this box right here. So let's select the cost cell and take a look at the graph. We can see that it changed. Now it shows us the cost. But let's say that we want to show the profit as well as the cost on the same graph. So we'll do the same. Right-click anywhere on the chart, Data Ranges, and we'll click Add. Now we have an unnamed series here. We'll give it a name. Select the name. Range of name will be cost. Y value will be all the values under the cost column. And there we go. You see that we have two graphs charted on the same chart right here. You can add as many as you'd like or remove them. And that's about it for now. Thanks. Bye.